Hey, champs! You can distribute your added social media accounts into different workspaces. Creating workspaces will help you streamline and manage your tasks more easily and efficiently. This tutorial teaches you how to delete a workspace in your Social Champ account. If you're having trouble creating and managing workspaces, you can also access video tutorials to help you through the process. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on how to delete the workspace. When you first log into your Social Champ account, you will land on the Content dashboard by default. Drag your cursor to the top left of the screen and click the Workspace drop-down. Click the Manage option. Here, you can see all your already created workspaces with their information in each column. Under Actions, you will see a bin icon. Click the bin icon to delete the workspace you want to remove. A pop-up window will ask if you want to delete the workspace permanently. Click Confirm if you're sure. Please note, all social accounts in this workspace will be removed from Social Champ. All published, scheduled, and pending approval posts will be deleted. All notifications for the team member will be removed from this workspace. The team member will lose access to all social accounts and posts in this workspace. Great work! Now you know how to delete workspaces.